Licensing is one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income because it allows you to sell the rights to use your AI-generated assets over and over again without creating new work each time. Instead of selling one-off digital products, you're granting permission for others to use your designs, templates, images, videos, or documents for their business or content. Many agencies, creators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses love licensing because it saves them time and money. For you, it means recurring income from the same asset, often at premium pricing. Licensing scales effortlessly because the asset never runs out. Once created, it becomes a long-term revenue generator with zero additional effort. Almost any digital asset you can create with AI can be licensed or resold. AI images and illustrations can be sold as commercial use packs, brand kits, icon sets, or design libraries. Productivity tools like Canva templates, Notion dashboards, business documents, and planners are extremely popular in licensing bundles. Video creators are always looking for stock clips, B-roll, overlays, green screen assets, motion graphics, and transitions, all of which can be generated using AI video tools. Writers and marketers want articles, scripts, prompt packs, content calendars, and research summaries. Even AI-generated voiceovers, sound effects, and music loops can be packaged as licensed digital assets. The best part? Once created, these products can be sold thousands of times with no additional work. There are several licensing models you can use, each increasing in value depending on what the buyer can do with your asset. A personal use license means they can use it privately but not resell or publish it. A commercial use license allows them to use your asset in their business. This is the most popular option. An extended commercial license gives even more freedom, including selling products that incorporate your asset. For agencies or large brands, you can offer enterprise licensing, which commands premium pricing. Another powerful model is membership licensing, where customers pay monthly for ongoing access to your asset library. Licensing lets you sell the same product repeatedly under different tiers, turning one digital asset into a revenue engine. You can sell your licensed AI assets across a wide range of marketplaces. Etsy, Creative Market, and Gumroad are perfect for templates, planners, prompts, Notion dashboards, and design packs. For video clips, animations, and B-roll, platforms like Envato, Motion Array, and Storyblocks offer high global traffic and strong recurring income opportunities. Image-based digital assets can be uploaded to Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Freepik if you prefer stock photo style income. Notion Marketplace and Canva Marketplace are rapidly growing for dashboards and templates. You can also host your own membership site or store, giving you full control, higher margins, and direct customer relationships. Every platform becomes a distribution channel, expanding your reach and multiplying sales potential. Once you're licensing products online, automation turns the business into a true passive income system. AI handles customer support, FAQs, refund replies, and delivery messages automatically. Create bundles such as Brand Kit Pack, Social Media Template Bundle, or B-roll essentials to increase cart value. Build themed or niche-specific libraries such as fitness planners, real estate brand kits, or entrepreneurship templates to attract targeted buyers. You can even launch a membership site offering unlimited access to new assets every month. Repurpose your creations. An image pack becomes a Canva template set. A video clip becomes part of a reel pack. And a Notion dashboard becomes a productivity bundle. Publish your assets across multiple marketplaces to multiply exposure and sales. Over time, your licensing business becomes a compounding machine, earning more from assets you created once.